Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrew Ma. Today we're going to be talking about Apple, and I want to make this video extremely short, so it's going to be like a 1-minute video. I'm trying to aim. So I just wanted to say thank you to Apple for creating the new iPad and the Apple Watch and all that. So I wanted to use their own video and make it into my own edit, but yeah, go check out their awesome website with their YouTube, you know, the shopping and all that. But yeah, be right back, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. The topic real quick. Did you know I was a baby actually since the Air 2 came out? Very interesting. So just wanted to let you know about that. But yeah, so you watched the video, right? That's what I wanted to add on. How did you like it? Was it good? I mean, the audience, I mean, how did you all like it? Was it really nice? Since it's nice, can you please go check out their YouTube page and also their Apple thing too? Support Apple, because you know they're helping so many people in charity, and they're a very rich company. They have like over like $1 billion to $1 trillion, so they're really successful. But anyway, go support them. Give them like a help and shout out, because they came out with the new iPad Air 4, and you know I've been waiting for this since iPad Air 4 since like when I was a baby. You know, like yeah, I was very baby back then, and I was like, thank you. Go check out Apple. Yeah, do that. Okay, do that. It's good.
Chắc ba phải thổi bụi ngoài này. I'm gonna blow everything out cho dơ quá. Nó nằm đây này, nó dơ. Tắm rồi cũng dơ. Quen không ạ?
Eccomi.